In this video, I will show you how to delete old emails in bulk in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first thing I want you to do is ensure that you're logged into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to come to the search bar and I want you to type older than, then we use a colon. Then here you can specify the time range of which you want to filter the emails. You can choose to use 2 years, you can choose to use 3 years, but if we use 2 years and specify it as 2y, we click enter. You see there are no emails for that. When we go and we use 1 here, you see all these emails that are dated a year after today's date. So you see it here. What you want to do after finding all these old emails is click here on this select. It's going to select all these emails, and once you click on delete, it's going to delete all of these emails. It's going to delete them by pages because Google loads pages to 50 emails per every page. So once you click on this and you click on delete, it's going to keep deleting them by pages. Now that's how you delete old emails in bulk in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.